When you're shopping for fish oil supplements, what you're really looking for are omega-3 fatty acids, including DHA and EPA. These fats may help to reduce inflammation and support brain, eye, blood vessels, and heart health. They are essential nutrients, meaning our bodies can't produce them, so we need to obtain omega-3s from our diet through food or supplements. A balanced diet that includes fish and plant-based sources such as walnuts, flaxseed, and chia seeds may provide sufficient omega-3 fats. However, if you aren't a fan of these foods and have elevated levels of triglycerides, high blood pressure, or heart disease, you may benefit from a fish oil supplement. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 best fish oil supplements and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you, and as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 6. Viva Naturals Omega-3 Fish Oil. Best for PCOS. Viva Naturals Triple Strength Omega-3. Fish oil for an omega-3 supplement for PCOS, because each 2 soft gel serving provides 2,000 nanomolecular of omega-3s, which is right in the middle of the range used in research studies with PCOS symptoms. However, it's easy to adjust the dose based on your personal needs and what is recommended by a healthcare professional. Research suggests omega-3s may be helpful for treating symptoms of PCOS, such as high triglycerides, menstrual pain, and insulin resistance. Yang Ke Zung El Bao Ti Gi J. Effectiveness of omega-3 fatty acid for polycystic ovary syndrome. 10 omega-3 doses used to help treat these PCOS symptoms in research can range from 1 to 4 grams per day, making the supplement within range. We like that the simple ingredient list makes it easy to check for potential allergens. The brand does third-party testing for ingredient purity and accuracy, and also ensures it doesn't contain any substances. The Viva Naturals Omega-3. Fish oil soft gels are made from bovine gelatin, which means they aren't suitable for vegans or some vegetarians. Each serving of 2 soft gels contains 1,400 mg of EPA and 480 mg of DHA, both in triglyceride form for better absorption. The product is third-party tested, ensuring its quality and safety. It's a great choice for those who want a high-potency omega-3 supplement, but it's important to keep the gelatin source in mind. Number 5. Needed Prenatal Omega-3 Plus. Best for pregnancy vegan. It's difficult to find a potent food source of DHA and EPA when following a vegan diet, especially one that you'll eat enough of. The Needed Prenatal Omega-3 Plus can be a solution to deliver doses of DHA and EPA similar to that of fish oil, but from algae. The amount of EPA and DHA are similar to amounts used in much of the pregnancy-related research, 500 mg total from 2 soft gels. The 2 soft gel dose can easily be broken up between 2 doses or halved on days other sources of DHA come into the diet. The capsules that hold the algal oil are vegetable-based, making this a wholly vegan-friendly supplement. While the price point is higher than many other fish oil supplements, this product also provides choline. Choline is another important nutrient during pregnancy that can help develop a baby's growing brain. The brand offers third-party testing for its omega-3 supplements, but does not share the results on its website. Each serving of 2 capsules contains 100 mg of EPA and 400 mg of DHA from algal oil in triglyceride form. This makes it a plant-based option, suitable for vegetarians and vegans who seek omega-3 benefits without fish-derived ingredients. Keep in mind the lack of publicly available test results when choosing this supplement. Number 4. Fullwell Fish Oil. Best for pregnancy. Seafood can be tricky during pregnancy with the increased risk of nausea and food aversions. Pregnant and breastfeeding people should consider including 2 to 3 servings of seafood per week to help get enough DHA from food. But if they do not consume fish or seafood, a fish oil supplement can be helpful to fill in the gaps. Says Mackenzie Caldwell, MPH, RDN, fertility, and prenatal dietitian. The dosing of Fullwell fish oil is very practical, with the amount of DHA and EPA, 600 mg total, used in most pregnancy-related research in 2 capsules. If you are eating fatty fish regularly during pregnancy, you can easily have the dose by taking 1 soft gel instead of 2. Additionally, because the dose is divided between 2 soft gels, they are smaller in size. Supplementing with a fish oil supplement not only helps fetal development, but is also beneficial against low birth weight, preterm delivery, and postpartum depression. Fullwell uses the triglyceride form of EPA and DHA and keeps the ingredient list very short. The soft gels are made from bovine gelatin, which may not be suitable for vegans or vegetarians. Additionally, this product can only be purchased directly from Fullwell's website. Each serving of 2 soft gels provides 120 mg of EPA and 430 mg of DHA in triglyceride form. The supplement is third-party tested, ensuring its quality, though the testing results are not available online. This makes it a reliable but more exclusive option for those seeking omega-3 benefits. Number 3. Sports Research Fish Oil. Best with vitamin D. Food sources of vitamin D are limited, and some of the most potent food sources are fatty fish. So, if you don't eat fatty fish regularly, you may benefit from both a fish oil supplement and vitamin D like in Sports Research Triple Strength Omega-3 Fish Oil. This includes 2,500 IUs of vitamin D, which supports strong bones, inflammation, immune health, and muscle function. We also appreciate that the includes a high dose of 1,250 mg combined EPA and DHA in one easy-to-take soft gel. This supplement is MSC certified, one of the strictest seafood sustainability standard certifications. It is also IFA certified, a third-party testing certification through Nutrisource to ensure there are no contaminants. The supplement is fresh and stable, and the amount of omega-3s matches that of the label. It's worth noting, keep in mind that the large size may not be appropriate if you have difficulty swallowing pills. Also, some may want to note that the soft gels also contain MCT oil, which can pose an issue if you are allergic to coconut. If you are already taking a vitamin D supplement, or it is included in your multivitamin, be sure not to overdo it, as 2,500 IUs is well above the RDA for most people. Number 2. Garden of Life Doctor-formulated Advanced Omega Fish Oil Soft Gels. Best high-dose supplement. Garden of Life. Doctor-formulated advanced omega fish oil because it can be a good fit for a wide range of people, from those who may already eat some fatty fish, like salmon, to those wanting higher omega-3 doses for specific health conditions. Each capsule provides 580 calories of combined EPA and DHA in the triglyceride form. This would be enough to fill in gaps if you only sporadically eat fatty fish or don't eat fish at all. The recommended 2 soft gel servings provide a higher dose of 1.29 grams of omega-3s. The soft gel capsules are made from a plant-based material instead of cow or pig gelatin, which is commonly found in soft gels. The ingredient list is simple, with only non-GMO lemon flavoring and rosemary extract added to the fish oil within the capsule. Additionally, this fish oil undergoes rigorous third-party testing for purity and accurate amounts of DHA and EPA, as it is NSF content certified. It is also certified by the Marine Stewardship Council, meaning the fish are wild-caught through sustainable fishing. It's worth noting, the serving size is 2 capsules, so you could take 1 capsule per day if desired. The 1.29 grams may be excessive if you regularly eat fatty fish. This supplement comes in soft gel form, providing 695 mg of EPA and 465 mg of DHA per 2 soft gel serving in triglyceride form for enhanced absorption. It is third-party tested for quality and purity, ensuring a trustworthy option for those looking to support heart, brain, and overall health. Number 1. Nordic Naturals Omega-3. Best overall. Our top pick is Nordic Naturals, a trusted fish oil supplement brand that offers a wide range of dosing options. Taking 1 soft gel offers enough DHA and EPA to cover gaps with regular fatty fish intake. However, taking the recommended 2 soft gel doses is more suitable if you don't regularly eat fatty fish, as this serving provides 690 milliliters of omega-3s. Chris Moore, MS, RD, PhD, co-owner of Moore Results Consulting Company, recommends Nordic Naturals brand because of its commitment to third-party testing, quality ingredients, and the amount of omega-3s it provides. The fish oil is in the triglyceride form for better absorption, and both the soft gel and the fish oil liquid contain lemon flavor to reduce any unpleasant aftertaste. We also appreciate that the fish are wild-caught deep-sea fish, and this product is certified sustainable through Friend of the Sea. This fish oil supplement is available in soft gel form, delivering 330 mg of EPA and 220 mg of DHA per 2 soft gel serving, in triglyceride form for better absorption. It is third-party tested, ensuring high quality and purity, making it a reliable choice for those looking to enhance their heart, brain, and overall health.